Hey everyone! Today we've got some super fun, odd slime crafts to do with clay. We've put together some so satisfying and colorful ways to play with slime. They're oozy, they're trippy, and they're a great way to chill out after a stressful day. Are you ready to dive in with us? Great! If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Crafty Hackers to be the first to see our videos. And give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Let's have some fun, shall we? Today we're going to be using our own homemade slime recipe. We'll put the recipe in the video description for you to refer to. But here it is. Pour 12 ounces of glue into a container to mix your slime in. Add 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda. Mix it together. Then add a few drops of washable glitter paint. Add 2 tablespoons of saline solution. Mix the saline solution into your slime until it thickens and starts to form into a doughy consistency. Once you have your slime ready, add some beads or pearls to give the slime a satisfying texture. It feels amazing when you play with it. Like a massage for your hands. Decorate it with glitter and massage and fold it in. Rub it around your hands. It feels so good. Do this as many times as you want with as many different combinations as you can imagine. The possibilities are endless. This is such a zen activity. You can totally get lost in it. Just play with slime until all your cares melt away. Alright, let's kick things up a notch. Add some modeling clay to your slime and watch it change. At first, it will create a marbling effect. It will make your slime thicker too. This texture is really cool and so soothing to play with. Once the clay is fully integrated, your slime will take on a different color. Pretty cool transformation, isn't it? And it's quite mesmerizing to watch. Add more beads and glitter to change the elements of the slime. You can use puffy paint as well. Here's another fun trick. Use a marker to draw designs on your slime. Use mixed media to create whatever design you like on your slime. You can try different colors and textures, like glitter paint, food coloring, loose glitter, whatever you like to create an explosion of colors and textures in your slime. Watch your creation distort and change as you play with your slime. It kind of looks like frosting, doesn't it? Let your slime take you on a journey and see where it leads. It led us to this yin-yang symbol. You can create any design or sculpture you feel compelled to make. Let the slime guide you. When our slime became a yin-yang symbol, we thought it'd be fun to add some styrofoam beads in the mix. You guys gotta try this. It feels really cool. You can also play with store-bought slime. We found a pretty awesome combo. If you add styrofoam beads to the gooey slime mixture, it makes for a very enjoyable sensation on your hands. We thought it would be fun to mix more modeling clay and previously made slime from our stash. You can mix everything together to make one big slime sculpture. Watch until the end to see how your favorite candy can add a color explosion to your creation. As you can see, we added M&Ms, but Skittles would totally work too. It looks like a glittery parfait, but you probably shouldn't eat this one. That was so enjoyable. Give these fun slime crafts a try, and tell us what you think in the comments. Which slime craft was your favorite? If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Ciao!